This is a vanilla sponge cake. I've already leveled it. So if you don't know how to level your cakes, you should check out my tutorial on leveling. And just going to put that delicious salted caramel on there. And just smooth that. Generous. Add that on. Then I'm just going to use that then to make a crumb coat. So first of all, you can see I use the excess bit just basically to seal up all any gaps between the two cake layers. So this process is called a crumb coat. You can use anything. You have two choices. You can either use the salted caramel buttercream like we've done for your crumb coat, or you can use just the normal vanilla. Depends on you. The crumb coat is basically like creating the blank canvas for you to then decorate on. So I think actually using the salted caramel for this crumb coat just allows them to get that full hit of the flavoring, and that looks really, really nice. And then the crumb coat. So the crumb coat, you just want to have a thin layer of buttercream just to lock all the crumbs in. So you're just adding that on there, smoothing it. Okay, and there you have it, your cake that is nicely decorated with buttercream. And we're going to put it in the fridge to allow that to set.